I'd say the most important reason to hire a criminal defense attorney is experience. Criminal defense attorneys practice in a way that is unlike any other type of legal work. When we're doing what we do, we have something close to a code. It's a vocabulary that's really only used in criminal defense, well, criminal litigation in general. You can't take a lawyer from corporate law or civil law or family law and have them step into the criminal practice area, because the judges and the other attorneys, everyone in the room is going to know that they don't know what they're doing. And while all the various players will be polite to them, they're not going to get a good result because they're not going to know how to frame the issues or where to take them. As a criminal defense attorney practicing in Orange County, one thing I've noticed is that in general, the level of professionalism that's required of an effective attorney is higher than in other counties, which is kind of interesting because it helps us to practice well. If I've been to Riverside County, San Diego County, San Bernardino County, it helps us practice in these other counties because we do things formally, we do things properly. We don't cut corners. I was in court the other day and there was an attorney from, I think he was LA, and he was wearing loafers with no socks. And I imagine that's acceptable if you're in Hollywood or Sherman Oaks, but you wouldn't catch an Orange County attorney anywhere in court without socks on. So when I'm dealing with the district attorneys, I'm dealing with the judges, I'm coming from an area of experience. I have 14 years, a little over 14 years experience. And all of the judges who are sitting right now in the criminal departments in Orange County, I've had experience with in a variety of ways. Some of them were former prosecutors, and I've dealt with them in that capacity. I've dealt with them as judges. The district attorneys who are practicing in Orange County, there's probably over 200 of them. I've dealt with the highest level prosecutors who are handling gang and homicide crimes and very high level fraud crimes. I've dealt with the very hardworking and very, very good misdemeanor deputies who prosecute crimes like petty theft, prostitution, driving under the influence. When I handle your case, your biggest concern is what's going to happen to me. And we call it result. We call it result because very few times has anybody ever just missed or found not guilty. So what we try and do is minimize result as much as possible. It is possible to get dismissals on cases, and we do in a lot of areas get dismissals. What we're looking for mainly is my number one concern, keeping you out of custody. A lot of things can get you into custody. Different types of theft, using someone else's credit card, obviously killing somebody. And I don't want you in custody. Very few of my clients do actual custody. I have all sorts of alternative programs that keep you in your home, get you back to your job, and fulfill the requirements of the custody without actually being behind bars. In my entire career, I don't think I've had 10 people go to state prison because I'm always focused on a way to structure your case or push your case in a way which is going to minimize the involvement that you had in it. So why should you hire me? I'm experienced. I'm well regarded. My craft is good. My professionalism, I have a reputation for it, and I'll get you a good result. So give me a call, let's talk, and hope to hear from you soon. Call me now, 714-530-9690.